Hokkaido can be a harsh place during the winter months, and food is often scarce for many species. Small birds like this nuthatch must find alternatives to their usual diet of insects and berries in order to survive. Fortunately for these guys, that is no ordinary icicle. It is infused with tree sap. This is a maple tree, and during the colder months, slight rises in temperature will cause the sap inside the tree to flow in increased amounts. The flow is so much that it ends up leaking out of any small fissures or wounds in the branches. The sap then freezes overnight when the temperature drops dramatically, creating a sugary drip of sap-infused ice. It is not only a tasty treat for these feathered visitors, but it provides an essential source of nutrients and energy during the harsh winter season. As you can see, many different species take advantage of these amazing icicles, which will form wherever there are gaps in the branch's skin. Woodpeckers are even known to intentionally damage the trees, creating holes in the bark through which the sap can flow. When the sap ultimately freezes, another nourishing ice lily is formed for not just the woodpeckers, but all the birds of the forest to enjoy. At least for now.